Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Goblin engineering. This exciting specialization allows you to craft some of the most explosive and impactful items in the game. To begin, you'll need to have a solid foundation in the engineering profession itself. We'll guide you through the necessary steps, from meeting skill requirements to completing the specialization quest, ensuring you can unleash your inner pyromaniac with confidence and precision. Get ready to blow things up. To embark on your journey as a Goblin engineer, your current engineering skill level must be at least 200. Once you've reached this proficiency, your next step is to find a Goblin engineering trainer. These specialized instructors are typically found in neutral Goblin-controlled territories. You can locate them in bustling Booty Bay, the desert oasis of Gadgetson, or the port town of Ratchet, ready to guide you. Upon finding a trainer, they will present you with a unique quest designed to assess your engineering capabilities. This quest typically involves gathering a specific set of materials and then crafting a particular item. Pay close attention to the required components, as they can sometimes be tricky to acquire. Successfully completing this challenge will officially grant you the coveted Goblin engineering specialization, opening new crafting possibilities. As a Goblin engineer, you gain access to an array of powerful and often explosive schematics. You can craft devastating items like the Global Thermal Sapper Charge, perfect for area of effect damage. Additionally, you'll create useful gadgets such as the Nomish Universal Remote and even the Goblin Jumper Cables XL, offering a chance at combat resurrection. These tools provide significant advantages in both combat and utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.